Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video. And guys, today we're going to be giving you guys my predictions. Well, not really my predictions. We're going to be basically reading an article with their predictions, and I'm going to be giving my opinions on that article. But before this video starts, make sure you're going ahead, hitting like, hitting subscribe, hitting that bell button, and let's get right into it. So first off, guys, let's look at Ethereum on today's chart, minus 1.06%. $26 billion market cap. It is trading at $235.61. So let's start off with the basic question. What is Ethereum? So before analyzing the future of ETH, let's take a moment to clarify some basic concepts. Ethereum is not a cryptocurrency, but a foundation for a new internet. Sure, we get it. Let's put it this way. Ethereum is a network intended to decentralize the internet. So guys, as we know, companies like Google and Amazon will store our personal data, passwords, and all sorts of other information. They charge us for that because of the convenience of it. And yet, as the records show, their security systems aren't really unbreakable. So guys, our information could potentially be stolen, hacked. We all know the problem. So while these centralized solutions might seem like a good and convenient choice for many, their nature makes them far from perfect. Brian, I don't know how to pronounce that, Behlendorf, I believe, executive director of Hyperledger and a primary developer of Apache web server, has repeatedly expressed that the internet was always meant to be decentralized and that blockchain is uniquely positioned to make it possible. Well, just like Bitcoin decentralizes monetary operations by cutting down the middlemen in the financial world, Ethereum aims to eliminate the need for internet third parties. In other words, Ethereum wants to be a global computer that democratizes the current client-server model. Let's go ahead. Now, what is ETH? Now, as you can imagine, these decentralized internet and dApp platforms still need something to run on to support their functionality. Instead of charging a maintenance fee in dollars, euros, or Bitcoin, the network needs Ether, abbreviated as ETH. So ETH is a cryptocurrency used to pay for computational resources needed to run operations in the Ethereum ecosystem. Simply said, ETH fuels the Ethereum network, and that's precisely where the term Ethereum Gas comes from. So they end up using the example of a notebook. If you want to edit a certain page, you're going to need to pay a fee so that the operation is processed. The fee is paid in Ethereum. So yeah, we all kind of know Ethereum is trying to make the internet decentralized. So we don't have these third parties and companies stealing our information and running the show. Well, we put up with it because it's convenient. So we're going to skip the pros and cons and we're going to jump into the price predictions that you guys are looking for. So let's go ahead and jump in. Ethereum ETH price predictions 2020, 2021, and 2025. It's time to get to the big question. Where is Ethereum's ETH price headed next? Will ETH price grow in 2020 or turn downwards instead? As you can imagine, analyzing the future of cryptocurrencies isn't an easy thing to do. But here's what the experts are saying. Guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Invest on your own accord. Joseph whatever, Ethereum ETH price prediction. This blockchain cryptocurrency enthusiast is a leading figure when it comes to ETH price predictions. He has recently communicated to his nearly 150k plus Twitter followers and readers of geotechnologist.com that Ethereum ETH might hit $1,200 by the end of 2020. Guys, I do believe this is possible. Ethereum's market cap is not high enough, in my opinion, for the technology that it is bringing to the table, and also because of the name power that it has. A lot of people know about Ethereum. It's the second most popular cryptocurrency. Tommy Lee, Ethereum price predictions. He is another key influencer in the cryptocurrency world. He's a Bitcoin bull and co-founder at Fundstrat Global Advisors. In his view, the second largest crypto, ETH will cross the $1,900 mark in the next 12 months. Ian McLeod is a tech-savvy public figure. He's estimating $500 during 2020. He thinks Bitcoin could lose up to 50% of its current market share against ETH in the next 5 years. That is very interesting, and also, I mean, that looks good to me, guys. I don't know about you, but I do think that's possible. I think that Bitcoin doesn't offer enough to the table for it to be destroying Ethereum by as much as it is in terms of market cap. I totally agree with what he's saying here. That's a great point. Wallet Investor is saying 2020 will bring us to 338. And then it might fall from 450 to 363 in that year, 2024. We have another one until mid 2020, finding support around 126. I think those numbers are a little low in my opinion. Another group is saying $2,500 by 2020, and this one's absolutely absurd. He sees it trading at above 11,375. So there's a ton of predictions they list here, guys. But personally, I'm thinking that Ethereum will end up trading over the $500 mark. I'm honestly thinking around $600 by the end of the year. Let's put it at around a $75 billion market cap. I do think that Bitcoin's market cap will grow as well. But yeah, I just think Ethereum has too many good things going for it. It has too many projects working on it. And it's just like, it's really doing something, especially if they end up upgrading to ETH 2.0 and add in proof of stake. I really do think that Ethereum will start to take over a little bit in market cap, and maybe even start to rival Bitcoin one day. So guys, let me know in the description your price predictions for today. Let me know what coin you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.